Readipop festival, and we are exhibiting. What we also do, besides make videos of Thailand, is make and sell jewellery. Owen has always made jewellery his whole life. That was his first job, his main hustle, and over the years we've done a few markets, but this one is by far the best. We came here last year, we did really well, so we thought this year we'd take you with us. These are the grounds, main stage there, loads of local businesses exhibiting their food and wares, and here we are in front of this big top tent.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. feet step over splinters of the moon.
Jewellery that Owen makes. If you followed us for a while, you'll know it's all based around 3 components: macramé, brass and crystals. We're battling with the wind today, so the table's not as tidy as it usually is. There he is, in video format. Let's press play. But he is at home with the kids. Please take a card. And all the metalwork is brass, real crystals, and very strong wax cord from Thailand. And everything's handmade by my husband, who's in that video.
There's some called long legs. What's she gonna do now? Now that she knows it all will
Just like that, it's all over for another year. Ugh.